Welcome back, everybody. Popping pills is all we know. Hey everybody, what's up? Your girl's back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just go ahead and keep on watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a spoolie like so, and just go ahead and comb those eyebrows out. Okay, so next I will be using a brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown from Ulta Beauty. We're just gonna start by putting some strokes upward, but real lightly in the beginning, just because you want the beginning of your eyebrow to be lighter than the rest of your tail, just so it gives that blending effect. And then I like to use a spoolie as well and just comb that product out just so it looks a little more natural. Next I'll be going in with the e.l.f. Dip Brow in the shade Light Brown, and then I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills small angled brush. Bruh. Whatever leftover you have on the brush, I like to bring that forward in the front and just some upward strokes just so that the product's evenly spread. And it's okay if it's a little messy because you'll be able to clean those up. After that's done, I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light to conceal my eyebrows. Then next I will be using a flat brush from Wet n Wild. Okay, once your eyebrows are cleaned up, I'm just gonna be using the e.l.f. Eyebrow gel. Alright, that was it for this video. If you liked this video, go ahead and give that a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, hit that button. You know you want to. Just kidding. That's about it for this video.